Judge Brown, is it Anna Brown?
Anna Brown.
Okay.
A judge that sustains non-existent objections from the prosecution.
Oh, that's interesting. Like she's a mind reader? Does she also have a crystal ball?
I guess she does.
Oh my.
How about the prosecution calling a witness that supposedly is going to incriminate some of us? A man named Butch Eaton.
Butch Eaton.
And Mr. Eaton gets up on the stand and proceeds to tell the jury what a great bunch of people we are and how much he admires us.
Oh, really? Ooh, wow. Did you feel Ethan Knight squirming? Did he sense that he was going to lose, or did it totally blindside him? He didn't expect it.
I saw him having a stunned, kind of breathless expression on his face.
Breathless.
I think when it began, this began yesterday morning.
Oh, yes.
When I saw them come in there, and they were like the, pardon my expression, they looked like the guests of honor, or they looked like sacrificial lambs.
Oh, finally the tables are turned. Oh dear, yeah. And then, right, okay. This is making me laugh because he's a character in my blog, the FBI Trap Trial.
Yeah.
He's a character.
Oh, really? Yeah.
And I talk elaborately about my feelings about his courtroom style and demeanor. And I'm sorry I wasn't there to see and observe it. It's just, it's an exhausting process to be that dedicated to a trial. How did, so were you there?
Well, if I wasn't there, they'd send the cops out to get me.
You had to be in there. Were you like in the dock? Like were you like...
No, I never testified.
Okay.
It's an extremely dangerous thing for one of the defendants to testify like that. Several did, but in my case, a lawyer decided it was not a good idea.
Oh, I see. For, Fifth Amendment or...
Well, it's simply the fact that once you get who's ever on the stand, whoever it is, it's open season for the prosecutors.
Attack, right.
So it is not a good idea.
You know what? I only caught the last hour of Ethan Knight's closing argument. I just got there about, I think it was like 11:30 or so, and I was...
Well, he was...
It seemed fake, and then when I heard the verdict, I thought maybe it was a giveaway on your side. Maybe he was just halfway doing an okay job.
He seemed in earnest, but he also
seemed in earnest.
Frantic.
In earnest yet frantic.
And desperate.
I think I've been frantic before. I've been accused of that.
Frantic and desperate also.
Frantic and desperate.
And let me point out one other factor too. Knight made his presentation at the very end. Long day.
A very long day.
And I was looking at many of the jurors and sitting here like this. I wish this guy'd get done with it. So
right.
I don't even think they were listening.
Right. You know what really bothers me too? The way his strategy was to have a conspiracy to deprive the federal employees from going to their...
ridiculous. And that is an illustration of the...
It was McCarthyist. It was
no.
Even worse.
Let's stay away from the larger politics like that and just look at it as a strategic decision for a prosecutor to make. Which charge are we going to pick to charge these guys
right.
with? And it was pathetically inept in their case to pick a charge that they really didn't have any grounds for or evidence to show. They were in a heck of a predicament though, because if you wanted to see the different brackets of different severity of charges they could possibly choose from, the only one lower than the impeding thing was like what? Illegal camping or something like that? Right, illegal camping. And what would be higher than it? You know, some kind of heavy-duty felony thing that would never fly. Never fly. Well, so, Neil, it has been wonderful talking to you, and I hate to bring it to a close, but I've got a few things planned. Yeah, sure. And your last name again was... Wampler? That's a little bit hard. W-A-M-P-L-E-R. Not so bad. Neil Wampler. Mr. Wampler. Very a pleasure. Just Neil. Neil. Okay, thank you.